550 pounds on the ball for Adrian Larsen. 550.
Can I tell the truth? If I was doing this for you, then I have nothing left to prove. Nah, just for me though. I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my people. They don't have no more for that. Trophies. And they don't have no more for that. Shit don't come with trophies. They know I'm a slow. I just do it.
Nowhere else in the world, nowhere else in the cage, nowhere else in this expo will you see a world record holder this up close and personal performing just for you. Now Adrian told me if he feels good, we're going to see a little bit extra. Let's go. Let's go. 550 pounds for Adrian Larsen. Get it up. Let's go, Adrian. Check this. Let's go. Get loud.
Can I tell the truth? If I was doing this for you, then I have nothing left to prove. Nah, just for me though. I'm just trying to stay alive.
Good God. Adrian Larsen, 550